Welcome to another video tutorial about how to create a Notion dashboard from scratch. First, if you don't already have a Notion account, go to notion.so and sign up for a free account. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, click on New Page on the left sidebar. This will open a blank page where you can start building your dashboard. Give your new page a title. Let's call it My Dashboard. To make things easier, let's use one of Notion's built-in templates. Click on Templates and select a template that fits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll use the Personal Home template. Now that we've added a template, we can start customizing it. You can edit any section by clicking on it. Let's start by adding a to-do list. Click on the Add a to-do list section and start typing in your tasks. You can check them off as you complete them. Next, let's add a calendar to keep track of important dates. Click on an empty space on your dashboard, then click on the plus button and select Calendar from the block options. Now you have a calendar where you can add events and deadlines. Notion allows you to embed external content like videos, documents, or even websites. Click on an empty space, select Embed from the block options and paste the link you want to embed. Let's embed a YouTube video for reference. And there you go. Now you have a video embedded in your dashboard. You can easily organize your dashboard by dragging and dropping different blocks to rearrange the layout. Make sure everything is in a place that makes sense to you. Feel free to add more sections to your dashboard. You can add headings, tables, galleries, and more by clicking on the plus button and selecting the appropriate block. Once you're happy with your dashboard, don't forget to save it. You can also share it with others by clicking on the share button in the top right corner and adjusting the shaping setting. And that's it. You've created your very own Notion dashboard. Keep customizing it to fit your needs and make sure it helps you organized and productive. Thank you for watching.